Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply a white flash effects to your edits in the CapCut mobile. So here, I've already import photos, and to add the flash effect, you can just go to effect, click on the video effects. Next, click on the nightclub category, and you can just scroll down until you find the white flash effect. Okay, this one, white flash. Now here you can adjust it more. Here I'm going to make it more I'm going to make it faster, so just swipe it to the right to adjust the speed. I'm going to go with 80. Now you can just go back, click on the check icon, and I'm going to apply it to the entire photos. Now this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.